How often have you wished for a little extra workplace for you or your kids, but didn't have any extra room for another table or workbench? Welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, and today we're going to make something quick and easy. My son wanted a table to work on his models, and since most of our furniture is stuck 600 miles away due to this lockdown stuff, sometimes you just have to do what you can, where you're at, with what you got. So this little project took us a little over an hour to complete, and we already had most of the stuff on hand except for the hinges. We start by taking a measurement of how high we will want the table based on the chair that he'll be using. Any shelf type board will work for this. Then you measure how far you want it to come out from the wall. I thought 2 feet would work a little bit better, but he said he only needed 18 inches. Of course, you can make these any size you want, depending on your needs, your projects, and how much space you got. Because we only have a few chairs at the new place, he'll be sitting in a fold-up beach chair. That just makes things a little bit easier to get it out of the way when you're not using it. Mark the heights on the wall. This is where we'll put the board to attach the table to the wall later. Even if this isn't for the kids, it's a great time to get them involved, especially if they're bored during this lockdown. And everyone needs to know how to use a tape measure, so why not get them started with something easy? We had half a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood left over from another project, and we decided to use this to make our top. Probably anything over half an inch will work, and I would bet that you have something laying around that you can use to make yours. Here Dakota is marking out the measurements and a line for me to make our cut. You see the line, go straight down from it. I can't tell from this angle, I'm too far from the side. Go straight down into the board and drill. Is that there? Because it looks like we're low. Okay, run it most of the way in. Stop. Well, we still got a little bit of playroom here. Just make sure it's level. Alright. Give me a hole right here. Run the screw in. Now we are going to mount the backing board to the wall. If you put this into studs, it's going to make a much stronger tabletop for you. get one more on that side because it didn't look like it exactly hit the stud. Go. See how that's wiggling? See how you're a little bit offline? So you want to go right there.
Good. Your finger's still attached?
My finger's still attached. You didn't drill a hole in my finger.
Alright.
Alright, you know you hit the stud that time. We used an old 2x4 for the legs. Remember to press it up against the back with your thumbs. Once you get it where you want it to cut, remember to press the wood up against the back before your thumbs. I can tell you that it hasn't been done yet. Both sides. We used a T-hinge on both sides of the tabletop. We used light strap hinges for the legs. I would have put a little bit more video attaching the legs, but my junior cameraman was a little bit shaky, and I think he even had the camera upside down for a bit. And there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, and you can put it just about anywhere, even on the inside of a closet. Or maybe you need that extra countertop in the kitchen. Something that can be made and used in the same day. There's a lot of room for making this much fancier and prettier too. Better legs, contact paper on top, different types of woods or material for the top. Gotta move it? No big deal. You only made 2 screw holes in the wall. Easy peasy to fix, so you can even do this in an apartment. If you liked this video, click that like and subscribe button wherever it may be for Pappy Tinkers. And if you made it this far, thank you for bearing with me as I learn video making and editing. I hope to make many more videos of do-it-yourself projects that you can do around your house, as well as many other projects that you may enjoy. See you next time on Pappy Tinkers.